Hi there, you're watching the Employability Reel series, Let's Circle Back. My name's Fenwick and I'm the Employer Engagement Manager.
And I'm Phat, the Employability Manager here at Spinal Cord Injuries Australia.
And we're here today to go through part one of frequently asked questions.
Great, so the first one is, what is the cost and time involved with the Building Employer Confidence Programme, or BEC as we call it? So I guess the BEC programme is all about 8 workshops that we've designed to cover every aspect of disability. So it's a really comprehensive series. What does it cost? It really depends on what you need as an organisation. So we start with an initial assessment we call the DISC. What does that stand for, you ask, Maz? It actually stands for Disability Inclusion Status Check.
I was going to say, there's loads of acronyms going around.
There are a bit of an overload if you ask me.
Yeah.
But the DISC process, so the initial assessment, actually starts with a series of questions. And what we do is we actually go through the employer's workplace as well, just to get a sense of what your accessibility looks like. That whole process actually results in a disability action plan, which is a really important document because it kind of captures where you're at as an organisation with your disability inclusion and essentially where you want to go. So what are your goals in terms of inclusion and disability awareness? And we basically will map out what kind of workshops you will need based on that assessment.
That's amazing. So like a bit of an audit then?
Yeah, it's a bit of an audit, but it's quite informal. And I think what's really important to understand is that we're not here to catch anyone out as an employer. We're here to support you. So if you're looking to improve your inclusion and disability, there are no stones unturned, and you shouldn't be nervous because we're actually not here as an auditor. We're here to help you, flag what you need to do, and give you the help and support to get into the direction that you want to get to.
And would we need to take all the workshops, Phat?
Well, I guess that really depends on where you're at. So the assessment will capture your progress and I guess your starting point. And then from there, we'll basically make a joint decision about what you need to take up. So some organisations might be at literally ground zero, and then you're looking at maybe the entire series. And then some organisations, some we've met already across Australia, are actually quite advanced. So you might only take 1 or 2 workshops, and that will obviously determine the outcome of the cost, or that will determine how much it will cost ultimately. But the good news, if you actually invest in more of the workshops, there are some really good discounts to be had as well.